Hello and welcome! In today's video, I will show you how to change the font in the PyCharm editor on Windows 10. Customizing the font can make your coding experience more comfortable and personalized. Follow these simple steps to easily select your preferred font in PyCharm settings. First, open your PyCharm editor on your Windows 10 PC. Next, look to the top right corner of the window and click on the Settings icon. Select Settings to open the configuration window. In the Settings window, find and click on Editor on the left sidebar. Then, click on Font under the Editor section. You will see a list of fonts. Click the drop-down to open the font list. Choose the font you want from the list. After selecting your font, click on Apply to save the changes. Finally, click OK to close the Settings window. That's all for today's tutorial. Changing the font in PyCharm is quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful coding tips.